London versus LA, which city hits your pockets harder? First up, groceries. London takes the cake here with a litre of milk at £1.10 compared to LA's $1.00. Eggs, £2.50 in London versus $2.00 in LA. Now, let's talk restaurants. A meal at a cheap spot in London is £20 while it's $19 in LA. Mid-range meal, £40 in London, $35 in LA. But hold on. Los Angeles isn't off the hook. Transportation is pricier in the City of Angels. Monthly public transport pass, $100 in LA, £80, about $90 in London. Utilities, London strikes again, £120 a month versus LA's $100. So overall, London's pricier, especially for groceries, dining and utilities. But LA sneaks in with higher transport costs. Ultimately, it depends on your lifestyle. Love eating out and using public transport? London might burn your budget. Prefer cooking at home and driving? LA might hit you harder. Thanks for tuning in. Drop your questions in the comments below. Safe travels.